every time you flush a toilet or pour something down the drain, that wastewater needs to be treated to help keep our community clean and healthy. For decades, Mission Springs Water District has treated wastewater at the Allen L. Horton Plant. As that facility began nearing capacity, MSWD carefully considered its options. Instead of expanding the Horton plant, the district realized that creating the new Nancy Wright Regional Water Reclamation Facility would better prepare MSWD to meet future needs. Funded primarily through state grants, the new plant can treat as much as 1.5 million gallons of wastewater per day, reducing demand at Horton and extending the life of that facility. The new plant will also be able to serve more homes and businesses in our growing region. The new regional plant will also allow more properties to be converted from septic systems to sewer service, protecting groundwater and reducing the risk of contamination. Newer technology plays a big role at the Nancy Wright Regional Water Reclamation Facility. It incorporates extensive automation, which means MSWD can operate the plant remotely and with minimal staff. To treat the water, the new plant uses a sequencing batch reactor. Once wastewater arrives at the plant headworks, non-treatable objects such as so-called flushable wipes and other large foreign objects are removed. The wastewater then flows into a grit chamber, eliminating fine particles, so it is ready for the next step.
So these are actually our SBR tanks, which is Sequence Batch Reactor.
First, the tank is filled with wastewater. Then, tiny air bubbles are pumped in from the bottom of the tank and carefully monitored to create an environment where microorganisms can consume organic matter in the water.
But the ultimate goal of the wastewater treatment plant is to have actually the microorganisms eat most of the sludge.
The aeration bubbles are then turned off, allowing the water and solids to separate.
And then from there, all the solids will actually drain to the very bottom of the tank, which then we are pumped off.
The clean, treated water floats to the top and then flows to percolation ponds to naturally filter through the ground to the aquifer. Any solids at the bottom of the SBR tank are removed and run through a belt press.
So it'll go onto this gravity belt and then go into a series of two different other belts that actually squeeze back and forth, dewatering all the sludge and having the water go back to the treatment plant process, giving our sludge a much lighter load when we send it out.
The new Nancy Wright Regional Water Reclamation Facility is carefully designed to meet the area's needs for generations to come, fulfilling MSWD's mission to provide, preserve, and protect our most precious resource, water. As the district continues to grow and adapt, we remain committed to serving our community with innovative solutions and dedicated stewardship, ensuring a sustainable future for all. To learn more, visit mswd.org.